Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you why GoHighLevel is the only tool you need for your agency. Over the past few months, I've been using this platform for everything like booking calls, keeping track of client information, and even running marketing campaigns. And honestly, it's completely changed how I work. So in this video, I'm going to show you the main features that I use every single day and how this tool can make things easier for you. But before we jump into the details, I've got a special offer for you. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you are going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you are going to get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel has a ton of features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. On top of that, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you are going to get all of that for free just as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. Again, it's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. First off, one of the best things about GoHighLevel is how it combines all of your marketing tools in one place. With GoHighLevel, everything's right there on one platform. For example, I can schedule appointments, manage email campaigns, and track ads all from the same dashboard. It saves so much time and cuts down on costs from paying for multiple tools. Furthermore, having everything in one place makes life so much easier. You don't have to worry about syncing data between different apps or juggling a bunch of different tools. GoHighLevel takes care of all of that for you. Next up, let's talk about managing clients and keeping an eye on campaigns. One of the best things about GoHighLevel is how it helps you handle everything for your clients from start to finish. You can book calls, track client interactions, and check how your ad campaigns are doing all in one place. For example, if you're running a campaign for a local business, you can easily add your team and the client's account to the platform. Now, this makes it simple to assign tasks, track clicks and conversions, as well as see how many appointments are booked from the campaigns. Now, I worked with a boutique agency that managed ads for several clients at once, and GoHighLevel made it easy to keep track. We got detailed reports showing how each client's campaigns were performing. We could see spending, clicks, conversion rates, and appointments booked. Now, this kind of insight helped us adjust strategies quickly and improve results for every campaign. Additionally, if you have a sales team, you can quickly add their performance data into the platform. You'll be able to see how many calls they've scheduled, how many appointments turned into deals, and keep track of follow-ups. Moreover, GoHighLevel makes it easy to track how your ads are performing. If you're running Google or Facebook ads for clients, you can see detailed reports right on your dashboard. For example, when looking at a Google Ads campaign, you can click on an ad to check how much was spent, how many clicks it got, and even see the conversion data. Later on, you can compare these numbers with appointment bookings to see which ads are getting real results. Now, this helps you connect your ad spend to actual outcomes, like scheduled calls and closed deals. Now, it gives you a clear picture of how well your campaign is working. So let me share a quick example. Say you're working with a gym that wants to get more members. With GoHighLevel, you can run a Google Ads campaign and track every click and sign up right in the platform. Later, you might notice that one ad brought in a lot more bookings early in the morning. So you could move more of your budget to target that time. Now, this way, you're always using your money smarter and getting better results. On the other hand, if your agency works on social media marketing, GoHighLevel makes it super easy. You can connect your Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Business accounts, and this lets you manage all of your posts and interactions in one place without jumping between apps. What's even better is the built-in social planner now has an AI content generator. If you're ever out of ideas or you need quick content for your clients, the AI can draft social media posts for you. For example, I recently worked with a creative agency that needed to help a new local restaurant grow online. So instead of spending hours creating new content every day, we used the platform's AI content generator. It made bright, engaging social media posts that connected with the audience. It worked really well, and it made the whole process so much easier. Additionally, the social planner helps you schedule posts ahead of time. Now this way, your content keeps rolling out even when you're busy with other things. Now this is a big help for agencies managing multiple clients and social media accounts at the same time. It makes everything easier to handle. Furthermore, one of the coolest features of GoHighLevel is its automation tool. In the automations section, you can set up workflows to handle tasks like sending automatic replies, follow-up emails, or even running more advanced multi-step campaigns. For example, let's say that you manage a social media agency and you want to make sure that every comment on your client's Instagram post gets a quick response. With GoHighLevel, you can create an Instagram comment automation that sends a direct message reply using AI. Now, this helps keep engagement high, and it saves your team from spending hours replying to every comment manually. I remember a time when one of my clients wanted to get better at connecting with customers on social media. So we set up a system that sent personalized thank you messages to new followers and replied to comments automatically. Now, this simple change helped them get more positive interactions and made their customers happy. Moreover, if you're running multiple campaigns on different platforms, you can check out the ready-made recipes of automation workflows on the platform. Now, these recipes make things easier. For example, you can automate Facebook comment responses or set up a drip email campaign to nurture leads. Another feature that really makes GoHighLevel stand out is its powerful reputation management tool. For local businesses, having a good online reputation is super important. GoHighLevel lets you handle all your client reviews in one place. For example, if your client owns a local spa, you can easily set up campaigns to ask happy customers to leave great reviews. Then, with the reputation management dashboard, you can keep track of these reviews, reply to feedback, and even use widgets to show off the best reviews on the client's website. Now, this all-in-one approach helps build trust and credibility, which is really important for businesses that need local customers. In addition to reputation management, the platform is also a great all-in-one financial tool. For agencies that need to handle invoices and payments, GoHighLevel makes it easy. It has a built-in payment and invoicing system that works with Stripe, PayPal, and even Square. You can create invoices, send them to clients, and track payments all from the same dashboard where you run your marketing campaigns. I once worked with a digital agency that struggled to keep track of client payments. They were using one tool for CRM and another for invoicing, which made things messy and hard to manage. After switching to GoHighLevel, everything was in one place. Now, this made the whole process so much easier and helped cut down mistakes with billing. Additionally, the reporting tools in GoHighLevel are super detailed. The platform helps you track all important numbers to see how your campaigns are doing. You can check details like how many leads you're getting, your conversions rate, how much you're spending on ads, and how many appointments are being scheduled. Now, all of this info shows you what's working and where you might need to make some adjustments. For example, if you see an ad campaign getting lots of clicks but not many appointments, it's a sign to take another look at the landing page or follow-up process. So this kind of insight is really important for agencies that need to keep improving their strategies. Imagine you're running a campaign for clients in the hospitality industry. With GoHighLevel's reporting tools, it's easy to see what's working and what's not. Now, this helps you make better decisions and adjust things quickly. In one case, a client got way more booked appointments after we changed the call to action on their landing page. We did this by using the platform's conversion reports to see what needed improving. Next up, let's talk about the integrations. So GoHighLevel works smoothly with other tools that you're already using. It has built-in integrations and connects with platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, and Zapier. This makes it easy to sync your data and keep everything working together. For example, if you're already using an email marketing tool or a project management app, you can connect them to GoHighLevel without messing up your workflow. Furthermore, the platform lets you adjust almost every part of your workflow. You can set it up to match the specific needs of your agency and your clients. For example, you can add your own branding to the interface or customize the automations to fit how your business works. Additionally, the drag and drop editor makes it super easy to create and update landing pages, forms, and email templates. You don't need to be a tech expert to make professional looking pages. It's just a simple and smooth process. So this ease of use also applies to the automation builder. You can set up detailed workflows using a visual interface that makes everything clearer and less confusing. As you spend more time with the system, you're going to see that even complex automations are pretty simple to manage. To bring all of this together, I want to share a simple example from my own experience. One of my clients, a small boutique hotel, had a hard time managing guest inquiries on the online bookings. They were using too many different tools and it was a mess to keep track of everything. After integrating GoHighLevel into their system, we set up automated workflows. Now, these workflows captured leads from their website and sent personalized follow-up messages. In just a few weeks, their booking rate went up a lot and the client was really happy with the results. In another case, I helped a social media agency make their content creation process far easier. They started using GoHighLevel's AI content generator and social planner, and this made it simple for them to create a steady flow of posts without spending hours coming up with ideas every day. So this saved them a lot of time, which they could use to focus on bigger plans and strategies. It also helped them get better engagement rates for their clients, and in the end, this led to happier customers and more revenue for the agency. So that's it for this tutorial. These are just a few reasons why I recommend GoHighLevel as an all-in-one platform for agencies. Remember, if you use my link in the description below, you're going to get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which walks you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. On top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.